Suppose you take $60,000 and deposit it, some of it into a savings account that has a 3.3% simple interest rate. Yeah. Oh, that's fine. And the rest you put into a CD that has a 3.04% simple interest rate. And after 10 years, you have $79,000. Oh, $79,200 in both accounts. How much did you put into each account? We're going to use algebra. Do we know how much we put into the savings account? Heck no. So let's call X is the amount in savings. Now you might want to be inclined to say Y is the amount in the CD. The problem with that is that it creates two variables, and then you'd have to do a system of equations. So if you remember how to do substitution or elimination, that's fine. But we can avoid two variables and write one variable. If X dollars went into the savings, then how much is left over to go into the CD? 60,000 minus X. Okay, we have two instances of a simple interest rate. And we are told the total in the savings plus the total in the CD is going to add up to the $79,200. Well, in the savings, we put X dollars into the account, and it carried a 0.033 interest rate for 10 years. In the CD, we put in 60,000 minus X, and it carried a 0.0304 interest rate for 10 years. So notice we have two instances of simple interest. P times 1 plus RT. It just happens that for the CD, RP was the binomial 60,000 minus X. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to clean up this stuff in parentheses, the second one. And my dog Marshmallow is really going to town on that bone, but doing good boy. That means he's not chewing my couch, so bonus. So if we clean out these decimals here, actually I don't even need a calculator for this, but that's okay. We get 1.33 times X plus, this will be 60,000 minus X times, I think that's 1.304, but I'll just check. I hit 2 zeros. I'm so sorry. Times 10. I did it right. My ones are weird. Okay, so now on this term here, we need to distribute the 1.304 times the 60,000 and the 1.304 times the X. So we get 1.33 the first time plus, we already have that there, so we'll just keep that going. 78,240. Oops. And the 1.304 times X is just that 1.304 times X. Keep the minus sign out front. Great. So now we have 1.33x and negative 1.304x. Those combine. Boop, to be 0.026. And we have the 78,240 on the left. We can bring that to the right by subtraction. And we would get 960. I want to make that dot. There you go. Dividing both, oh, I forgot my x here. Dividing both sides by 0.0206. Oops, that's a 3. We get $36,923 and we'll say 8 cents. Boop. So that's the amount in the savings. To get the amount in the CD, we'll take this answer and subtract it from 60,000. We get $23,076.92. Excellent.